Are your CC security cameras ready for AI face recognition security? Our AI software product is ready. PanEagle is a next-generation enterprise surveillance software system with AI face recognition and intruder detection for your existing CC security cameras. This is the ultimate AI security platform for modern homes, offices, warehouses, firms, factories, enterprises, and more. Existing CC camera fixing technicians can contact us for PanEagle software to give their customers the power of AI face recognition, intruder detection, and deterrence. PanEagle full features list: 15 powerful features which you get. 1. User-friendly interfaces. Experience intuitive interfaces designed for users of all technical levels, ensuring ease of use and accessibility. 2. Scalable solutions. Our systems are designed to grow with your needs, making it easy to expand functionality as your requirements evolve. 3. Security monitoring dashboard. Access a comprehensive view of security feeds and AI analytics at your fingertips with our innovative dashboard solutions. 4. Motion detection. Our advanced motion detection feature safeguards your premises. Instantly alerts you. 5. AI face detection. AI-powered face detection intelligent systems which quickly and on the fly recognizes both insiders and outsiders of your premises. 6. Advanced AI software-based recording. With our advanced AI SD and VR you will have peaceful nights of sleep. No worries in tracking back older events. 7. Multi-layered security. Rest assured without multi-layered security. No threat or intruder is faster than our multi-layer security system. 8. AI-powered picture and text logs. Our experts designed detailed logs fully utilizing AI power and face recognition. Never miss any event as every detail is captured in the logs. 9. Intruder detection. Our advanced intruder detection feature instantly identifies any intruders and alerts you through voice alerts. 10. Downloadable logs. With our advanced AI-powered software-defined video recorder, you have freedom to download all your logs. 11. Tamper-proof cameras. Cameras tampering detection with our AI-powered software. Deep sleep is guaranteed. 12. Live updating. Intelligent dashboard. Live updating intelligent dashboard gives you freedom and peace of mind. 13. Zero light night vision. AI face recognition. Our most advanced AI-powered face recognition software can see even in pitch dark and clearly identify faces. No face goes undetected. 14. Loud AI audio alerts. Loud audible alarms powered by AI face detection for tampering and intruder detection events. No alarm misses your ears. 15. Strict night rules. Stricter night rules for loitering keeps the loiters away from your premises. Our AI-powered software automatically does it for you. Secure your premises with our AI-powered security surveillance cameras and software systems. For pricing and all other queries, visit our website www.pancait.com or chat with WhatsApp on +91 9036 234565. Read more about PanEagle software product at www.pancait.com/paneagle.
AI cameras. Intruder alert. Unknown person loitering in front of one of the Pancait AI is being monitored by Pancait AI cameras. Stay away. This area is being monitored by Pancait AI cameras. Stay away. Intruder alert. Unknown person loitering in front of one of the Pancait AI cameras. This area is being monitored by Pancait AI cameras. Stay away. Intruder alert. Unknown person loitering in front of one of the Pancait AI cameras. This area is being monitored by Pancait AI cameras. This area is being monitored by Pancait AI cameras. Stay away. Stay away.